Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. Practice English with us in a friendly and easy way.
Hi, friends. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. We are happy you are here today.
If you want to improve your English speaking step by step, please like, share, and subscribe.
Today's topic is very useful for real life, taking a taxi in English.
Yes, this is everyday English. You can use this at the airport, in the city, or while traveling.
We will practice simple sentences, short, clear, easy to understand.
Let's start with a simple question.
Do you take a taxi sometimes? A taxi is a car you pay to take you somewhere.
Other words you might hear are cab or ride.
Today, we will learn how to call a taxi, how to tell the driver your destination, how to ask about price, how to pay, how to say thank you. Imagine this. You open the taxi door. What do you say first? Simple and polite. Hello.
Yes, always start with hello. Then you can say, hi, how are you? It is friendly, but not necessary.
Very important sentence. Please take me to the airport. Repeat. Please take me to the airport.
You can change the place. Please take me to the hotel. Please take me to the train station. Please take me to this address.
If you show your phone, you can say, here is the address. Very simple, very useful. Let's practice. Hello.
Hello, where would you like to go?
Please take me to the city mall.
Sure.
That's it. Very simple conversation.
Now let's talk about money. You can ask, how much is it? Repeat, how much is it?
Another useful question, how much will it cost? Cost means price.
If you want to check first, you can say, is it expensive?
Sometimes you are in a hurry. You can ask, how long will it take? Repeat that.
Example answer, it will take 20 minutes, or it will take about half an hour.
If you are late, you can say, I am in a hurry. Very useful.
Sometimes the driver asks, which way? If you know the road, you can say, turn left, turn right, go straight, stop here.
Stop here is very important when you arrive. Repeat, stop here, please.
When you arrive, the driver may say, that will be $10.
You can respond, here you go, or here is $10.
If you use card, can I pay by card? Repeat, can I pay by card?
Polite phrases. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep the change.
Keep the change means the driver can keep extra money. Example, the price is $9. You give $10. You say, keep the change. Let's do a longer conversation.
Hello.
Hello, where would you like to go?
Please take me to the airport.
Sure, it will take about 25 minutes.
How much will it cost?
About $15.
That's fine. Thank you.
We're here.
Stop here, please. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Let's review important phrases.
Please take me to... How much is it? How long will it take? I am in a hurry. Stop here. Can I pay by card? Thank you. If you can say these sentences clearly, you can take a taxi in English.
Maybe you feel nervous speaking to strangers. That is normal.
Start with short sentences. Speak slowly. Smile.
Taxi conversations are usually short, so don't worry.
Good job practicing today. Now it's your turn. 1. Where would you go by taxi? 2. How do you say your address in English? 3. Do you prefer taxi or bus?
Write your answers in the comments, or say them out loud for speaking practice.
Thank you for practicing English in everyday life with us.
Real situations make your English stronger.
Remember, small practice every day makes big improvement.
Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English conversation.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.